Good evening, guys. It's 10:15 here in New York. This is Carbs. We are running this Oriole Bird for Mr. Mr. Eric. Mr. Newman, same thing. Messing up a little bit. Gonna put here that we're live at 10:16. Posted. Gonna copy this list right here. Go into our randomizer for our dice quick. Two dice has to be five, or it has to be higher than a five. Six times we're gonna run this. Put in our random with our list. Random running a little slow tonight. Sorry, guys. Thank you for your patience. I'm gonna paste this. Pat on top. Eric on the bottom. Here we go. 6 times. Eric. Ryan. Justin. Pat. Patrick. He's a frog kisser, and our winner is going to be spot number 15, Justin Greenwood. Spot number 15, Justin Greenwood. Justin, you're going to PM Eric. That you won. That's Eric. Not Eric. Justin is our winner. Thanks, guys. Have a nice evening.